Welcome to this quick and easy Canva tutorial. Today you will learn how to upload your templates into Canva. Once you purchase the templates, you will receive an email from Etsy, Shopify, or a link to your portal if you purchase directly from my website. Open the email and click on the product link. Most of my products, if it's from Etsy or Shopify, you will see the PDF file inside of the email. So the links will look like this. And if you purchase directly from my portal, the links will be right underneath of every product like this. However, you will click on the link and you do not even have to copy the link and paste it into your browser, as you just clicked and you saw the templates. Now you are going to click on use template. So one quick tip I wanted to give you, if you have a hard time or Chrome browser gives you a hard time, because right now I'm in Chrome. So in case Chrome gives you a hard time, then you should be using Microsoft Edge, or you can also use Brave. Brave is one of my favorite browser. Either of that, you can use it. So to upload or load into your Canva, you will click on this purple button, use template. And now it's loaded into your Canva account, and you can start editing it however you want to. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded a template into Canva and can start editing it.